Good morning. I'm Peter DiMaso with Cambridge GaN Devices, and today we're at PCIM Europe, and I'd like to talk to you about a family of products we've introduced today, the H2 series. So, H2 is our second generation of ICeGaN, and what iScan does is add an interface circuit to E-mode gallium nitride transistors, which gives you the ease of use, lower system cost, high scalability, industry's best gate robustness, and highest system performance in the industry. And I'll show you a block diagram of that now. So here we have what the iScan looks like. If you look right in the middle here, that's a standard E-mode transistor that we've sourced. But the great IP that we have is everything around there. Now, and what we call the ICeGaN, ICeGaN, or iScan. We're okay with you pronouncing it either way. And what that does is a few things. It adds a higher noise immunity on the gate as opposed to standard E-mode parts, so the threshold voltage is much higher. The maximum gate voltage goes up to 20 volts, which gives you the ability to use standard MOSFET drivers, which there are many in the industry. It provides very strong ESD protection, much more than standard E-mode GaN devices. Adds the capability to sense current, and also has the Miller clamp implemented in the transistor, which allows you to not have to use a negative voltage on the transistor, which most E-mode GaN devices need. And I'll show you an application of these right now. So down here we have two versions of the same board. This is a 65 watt quasi-resonant flyback power supply, so 65 watts, and it uses our 240 milliohm 650 volt device. Again, the transistor in there is the transistor uses the iScan, which is a fully monolithic design of the transistor, and this board here is actually designed for design engineers to get in there and probe, not optimized for actual production. Over here, we have the same design, which is optimized for a production flow. We call this a reference design as opposed to an evaluation board. And here you can see how compact the 65 watt power supply gets. And now I'd like to show you a production design from one of our customers. What we have here is a 400 watt Class D power amplifier and power supply that uses our 55 milliohm iScan technology-based E-mode transistors. This design is enabled by our products because of the high speed and the clean switching waveforms you get for the Class D amplifier, only achievable with GaN. And this is a power supply that has a PFC front end and an LLC second stage to provide the DC rails, and then the actual Class D amplifier also uses our E-mode GaN transistors. So for more information, please visit our website or send an email to info@camgandevices.com.